Hi guys, today I'm going to commence my office renovation. I'm going to show you a few material that I'm going to use for the partitioning. Okay, so let's take a look now. Okay, so these are ventilation blocks. Right, normally people use it for outdoor. Right, there's a ventilation gap at the top. Right, this is about 200 by 200 mm. Thickness is about 70. Okay, this block is not very heavy. I think probably about 2 to 3 kg. Okay, but the reason why I'm using this is because of the see-through. Okay, it's not totally sealed off. That means my partition will not be totally sealed off because I'm still using the lightweight brick for the rest of the partition wall. So I thought this is something that is interesting. So all of them will be laid like standing up like that. Okay, so below will be the lightweight brick, on top as well. I'll show you the completed partition hopefully by today. So I'm going to use this to construct the partition. Right, so there'll be 2 meeting rooms. This is the marking of the meeting room. So there's one here, and there's one more here. So this is the passageway. Right, once you enter, go in. Right, there's a sliding glass door. Right, this is where the staff will sit. And it goes like that, and towards here will be my office. Going towards here. Okay, so this is where I'm going to place my camera. Right, so I'll be standing here, right, looking at the camera here for my YouTube video. Hi guys, let's take a look at the progress of my office renovation. Okay, so here what you see are two meeting areas. Right, these are the lightweight brick wall, and these are the ventilation blocks that I mentioned. So it's going to be 3 rows. Right, so at this moment there's only 1 row. So there's going to be 3 rows here, and then on top will be the lightweight brick as well. Okay, so here will be the bench and the table. Then there's some storage cabinet at this side here. Both sides are the same, identical. Okay, over at this wall, I'm going to cement screed it rough with texture. So when the light shines on it, you see all the texture, the unevenness on the wall. There'll be some shelvings as well for display. It's a storage cabinet here. That's to conceal all the terminal, the Wi-Fi terminal. There's going to be a sliding glass door behind this wall. So this sliding glass door will go all the way until here. So this is the part where the storage cabinet will cover up. Hi guys, today my carpenters are going to install some carpentry works for me for my new office. So let's take a look now. So this is the signage. Okay, I'm going to put my signage here. This box up to conceal the BB. So there's one spot lighting inside here. Right. It's coming down, shine onto my signage. So this part here will be the staff table. Right, it goes all the way, and there's some storage cabinet there.